Hi, my name is Dr. Samuel Gidaro, and today we'll be going over a detailed explanation of dental implants, what they are, how they work, the benefits, the procedure, and who may be a suitable candidate. So let's begin. What are dental implants? Dental implants are designed to act as artificial tooth roots that are surgically placed into the jawbone. They are fixed, permanent, and are designed to match the look and function of natural teeth. When procedures are done correctly, they allow you to eat, speak, smile, and function just like you would with natural teeth.
Wow.
They also help maintain your facial structure, preventing the sunken appearance that often comes with missing teeth. The basic structure and components of a dental implant are as follows. Each dental implant is made up of three main parts. We have the implant fixture, that is a screw typically made of titanium that is placed into the jawbone. The abutment, which is a connector that links the implant screw to the crown or tooth. And finally the crown, which is a visible part that looks and functions like a natural tooth. How do dental implants function? Once the implant is placed and securely anchored into the jawbone, your bone gradually fuses to the titanium through a process called osseointegration. This creates a stable and long-lasting foundation that helps stimulate the bone to prevent bone loss and shrinkage over time. What are dental implants made of? Most dental implants are made from titanium, and titanium is a biocompatible material, meaning that the body accepts it without rejection. They can also be made of zirconia for people with rare metal allergies. The abutment that connects the implant to the crown is often made of titanium, zirconia, or a gold alloy. And the crown, which is a visible part of the tooth, is often made of porcelain, ceramic, or zirconia. What are the types of dental implants? There's several types of dental implants which are each suited to patient-specific needs. The most commonly placed dental implant is an endosteal implant, and these are placed directly into the jawbone. There are subperiosteal implants, which are implants positioned under the gum but above the jawbone, and zygomatic implants, which are anchored into the cheekbones for patients with significant or severe jawbone loss. There are also different types of tooth replacement options, and these include single tooth implants, where one implant supports one crown, an implant bridge which replaces several missing teeth and is supported by two or more implants, and All-on-X, which is a full upper or lower arch of teeth supported by 4 or more dental implants. What are the benefits of dental implants? Well, dental implants offer a wide range of benefits, including a natural look and feel designed to closely resemble your natural teeth, durability intended to last over a long period of time, and the aim of preserving the jawbone structure. This also improves your ability to chew and speak, supports your facial structure, and in some cases may contribute to an improved sense of well-being. The dental implant procedure step by step. Your journey begins with a consultation, which includes a comprehensive dental exam, x-rays, 3D scans, and a review of your bone quality. The goal is to assess your current condition and suitability for dental implants. Every person is different, so we'll need to develop and tailor a treatment plan specific to you. Next is your workup appointment, during which we gather detailed records such as smile designs, digital scan impressions, and other necessary information. If sedation or general anaesthesia is planned, medical clearance may be required, and in such cases, we'll provide you with a referral for tests like a blood work and ECG. Surgery is scheduled after the anaesthetist has reviewed and approved your results. During the surgical phase, whether for single tooth implants or All-on-X treatment, we may perform tooth extractions, bone grafting, and place your dental implants. Depending on your case, a temporary prosthesis or crown may be placed on the same day as the dental implant. For All-on-4 or All-on-X implants, an immediate loading prosthesis is typically provided on the day of surgery, and the final prosthesis no longer than 1 week after surgery. After surgery, the team at TDP will be closely monitoring your healing and implants to ensure proper healing and integration. We begin with a 10-day review and appointment, followed by regular checkups to ensure long-term success. Of great importance is the hygiene appointments, because from this point on, it's critical to maintain excellent oral health. Our highly trained hygienists will help care for all your implants and All-on-4 bridges using specialised techniques and tools. This will ensure long-term success for your implants or teeth. What brands of dental implants are used? At the dental practice, we only use reputable implant systems based on individual case requirements. These include Noble Biocare, Straumann, Dentsply Sirona, and Southern Implants. We select the right brand based on your bone quality Who is a candidate for dental implants? You may be a candidate if you have one or more missing teeth, have good general and oral health, adequate jawbone density, and importantly, have a commitment to maintaining your oral hygiene. Ideally, you would be a non-smoker or have the willingness to quit or reduce the amount of cigarettes you smoke. How to maintain your dental implants. To ensure your dental implants last for a long time, it's important to brush and floss daily, use specialised toothbrushing techniques which we will teach you, and attend regular dental checkups. We advise that you come to your dental hygiene appointments at least every 6 months to make sure that everything is going well for you and that we can maintain your dental implants to ensure longevity. We hope this information provides a helpful overview of what dental implants are and what to expect throughout the process at the dental practice. If you have any questions or would like to discuss whether this treatment may be suitable for you, please contact our reception team to arrange a consultation. Thanks again for listening.